welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to make a farmhouse French country sign with an image that I found on Pinterest using Arteza Heat Transfer vinyl and some burlap canvas that I have that I purchased, I think it was last fall from Michael's. I've had it quite a while. So I already have Design Space loaded here. So I'm just going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus, and I'm going to click on that. And I was working on something, so I'm going to replace it. That will put us on our canvas. Now I'm going to go over here on the left-hand corner to upload it because I've already uploaded my image into Design Space. If you don't know how to do that, I have videos on my channel that show how to do that. So I'm just going to click on the image. That will put a green box around it, and then I'm going to insert images right bottom corner, okay? And that will bring it onto our canvas. I think this is so cute. I'm going to make it smaller so we can see it better and I can work with it better. So my canvas is a 10 by 20 burlap canvas. So I want to make my design 8 inches wide. So I'm going to put 8.0 up here out from size, and I unlock that. And then for the height, I'm going to go in here and backspace and get rid of that height and put in 16, okay? And then I'm going to lock it back, okay? Now you will see over here in the layers column that a little, this is a cut then print. Well, a little triangle came here, and that lets me know it's too big if you do a cut then print. So what I want to do, I want to change this just to a cut. So I'm going to come up here to where it says fill, and print is right here. I'm going to click on that downward arrow and turn it to no fill. So now it will just cut out my image, and if you look over here in the layers column, you'll see it is changed to just a cut, and that's what we want. So let's go to right top corner, make it. I have my Cricut Explore Air 2 set on custom, and a little note popped up here, and it tells me that one of my images is larger than the 11.5 in height or width. Select OK to continue with a larger mat, or cancel to return to the canvas and reduce the size. So I'm going to click OK because I have a larger mat. Then I'm going to go continue right bottom corner. Now my computer is connecting to my Cricut, and like I said, it's set on custom. And since I have the Arteza HTV, I'm going to browse all materials, and I'm going to type in vinyl. Okay, and just go down here and look. I'll probably use the premium vinyl setting, but let's just check. I will. And I'm going to star it to make it a favorite and hit done at the right corner. Now my Cricut is ready to cut. Now what I do want to do is mirror this image. So I'm going to click edit right here, and I want to click my mirror on because I didn't do that earlier, and then select done because this is heat transfer, so you do want to mirror your image. Okay, the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this cute design. Okay, here's my large standard grip mat, and here is the Arteza vinyl that's heat transfer, and I love this because you get, they're 12 by 20 inches. I love it that they're that big, and I love the colors that the Arteza comes in. They just have so many vibrant colors. As you can see, there's tons in here, okay, but I don't want to unroll them all. I've decided this is my burlap canvas. I think this is going to be so cute. I've decided that I want to make this black, okay? And if you're ever wondering with the Arteza, which side on the heat transfer do you put down, what you want to do is take your little weeder tool and gently pull up. The side that pulls up, that's the side you want to cut on, okay? And it will even tell you that right here on the box. It says Use the tip of your scissors to make a small scratch. The side which lifts up is the side you want to cut out your design on, okay? So I'm just going to put this right on here. Okay. Then we're going to insert this right into our Cricut with the blinking arrow, and then we'll cut with the blinking C. I just think this is going to be so pretty. I'm out of contacts, that's why I'm wearing my glasses all the time. Actually, I have one pair left, but I'm wearing them very sparingly because now I don't want to order anything right now for my eyes. Okay, now I think what I'm going to do is probably cut this again. Before I take it out, what I'll do is I'll just hit the C twice. I'll show it to you. I've shown it before, but in case you're new, I don't want you to miss. So I'll be back when this gets finished. Okay, it's through cutting. I have not ejected it at all. Now, this is how I do the Arteza vinyl, and I find it works very nicely. I'm just going to hit the blinking C one more time. Well, it's not blinking. And one more time, and it will cut it completely very nicely. And this works as long as you do not remove this from your machine. It will cut directly over the same spots. But if you remove it, you're going to have trouble. So it's going to cut this again, and then I'll be okay, ready. It's just finished cutting for the second time. Now I'm going to eject it by hitting the blinking arrow, and now we're going to weed away everything we do not want. And you get a perfect cut when you do it like this. I had been so frustrated in the past, but this is a wonderful way to cut Arteza vinyl. And this is going to leave your carrier sheet right on here. If it gets to be too much, you can just cut some of this off. Okay, we have to get the little chicken's eye. Okay, and I think that is it. And that's what we have so far. I think that is so pretty, okay? Okay, so let me get everything pushed back and situated, and we will apply the heat transfer vinyl to our burlaps. Okay, I have my easy press set to 350 for 30 seconds. I have a small butcher block underneath this. I'm going to have to keep moving it. Just try to get this where you want it. I don't know where my Teflon sheet is. I have one, but I cannot find it. So I'm using my easy press mat, and we'll just put this on here. I'm going to press down. I don't have my Teflon sheet, so I'm just going to have to do it this way and hope that it doesn't mess it up. Okay. think that is working. Then we'll put it right on the cow. And this is supposed to be a hot or a warm peel. Okay guys, here's how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty well. You do need something, if you can find something that will fit in here much tighter, I would suggest that. And I would also suggest using a lint roller on this before you apply this. But I think it is really cute. I love how it turned out. It is very nice. And it'll make a wonderful addition to farmhouse French country decor. And if you wanted, you could take paint stir sticks and put around this to make a frame like I've done in the past. I might do that. I think that would be really cute, and paint that, or I may just leave it alone. So I'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, probably for a DIY or a vlog, but I think it's going to be a DIY. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.